Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sprinkle Stories. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the tastiest kebab, that is Hyderabadi chicken kebab. This is one of the most tastiest kebab I have ever eaten. So come on friends, let's see how to prepare this delicious kebab. So now quickly let us jump to our recipe. So firstly here I have taken boneless chicken half kg. So 500 grams of boneless chicken is the quantity that I have taken today. And I'm adding pepper powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste, chili powder half tablespoon, soya sauce half tablespoon, corn flour 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 handful of curry leaves, and little bit of coriander leaves. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Eastern kebab masala. You can use any kebab masala powder that is available. And I'm adding little water, so I'm not adding egg here. So if you're adding egg, that really creates a foam when we are frying the kebab, so let's add water, that is more than enough. So let's combine together. So we shall mix it really very nicely, and we will have to keep this marinated for at least 1 hour before deep frying the kebab. So now let's deep fry the chicken pieces, and please make sure that the oil is sufficiently hot before dropping the chicken pieces into it. So guys, this is the tastiest kebab that you would really love to try again and again. You can do this with the bone pieces also. There is no restrictions for the pieces. This is 100% more tastier than the normal kebabs that we are eating. So now let us deep fry the chicken pieces until the outer portion of the chicken pieces are crisp and the inner portion of the chicken pieces are cooked well. So stir occasionally. So when we are eating these chicken kebabs, the flavor of the fried curry leaves will really enhance the flavor of the kebabs. So there is an option here. See, the chicken is already content that is of acidic, that is a bit heat. So if we want, we can add a little bit of sesame seed, or else it's okay, that's optional. So now the chicken is completely fried. So as you can see here in the video, and I can feel here the outer layer is so crisp. So let me transfer it to a plate. This is the best ever combination when we are looking for a good starter and in an easy and a quick way. Yeah, here comes our Hyderabadi chicken kebab. This is really so tasty. You can have this with a sauce, tomato ketchup, with squeezed lemon on top, and you can also add flavors to it. If you want, you can also add chaat masala on top. This looks really delicious. This is the best chicken kebab that you can try in a less time, less than 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification icon to get the regular notifications of my future videos. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and eat homemade.